This is a 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 2500. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 6.0-liter V8. Features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a heavy-duty suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, a 6-speaker audio system, automatic locking wheel hubs, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a passenger side vanity mirror, dusk sensing headlights, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 41,000 miles. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Columbine Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2728 Railroad Avenue in Rifle.